just do it. I mean, it's going to be one of the biggest benefits of your company. Brian Corbett, broker owner of Flagship Property Management, operating in Eastern North Carolina, primarily Greenville and Goldsboro, North Carolina. We would get maintenance requests through our property management software that we had at the time, and we would call typically or email one of our vendors that, hey, we've got this work order for this property, and that's where the communication would stop. Then it became us playing administrative assistant or secretary for that vendor. You know, between them and the tenant, it was like, hey, I was going to be there between 1 and 3, now it's 3 to 4. Call the tenant's not good 3 to 4, they're good after 5. And we're spending our time being administrative staff for our vendors, for our tenants, and there's got to be a better solution out there. And then I came to a trade show and found Property Meld, and the communication piece built into that between the vendor and the tenants and owners and us was really, really important to me. It is hard to make a process change, and my staff, I lovingly joke with them, they don't like change. Once they saw the demo, once I made the decision, and it was kind of like I'm the boss, right? Like I see the benefit in this, the value is massive. My vendors were the same way. Why can't you just call me with the work order? Why can't you just text me like you used to? So that was a little bit of working through that education piece, which Property Meld was great with, but we spent a little bit of time on it ourselves and sat down with all of our vendors, our main ones at least, and just said, hey, look at this. This is how this works. We've got to do it. And I think if I took it away from them now, they would quit and go find somebody that actually had Property Meld. Running a small business, you have to be bottom line conscious, and that was one of my first things when I looked at a new software. Is like, okay, well, there's another expense. That little bit of money I pay Property Meld saved me time on payroll where we could actually grow our business past working for our vendors. Once I got the demo and saw what all that could do, and it eliminated us as the middleman talking between our vendors and our residents, and sometimes the property owner, it's a no-brainer. Property Meld's awesome.